Welcome to our channel. Storm Rider. USS Delbert D. Black, designated DDG-119, is one of the newest additions to the U.S. Navy's Arleigh Burke class destroyer family, a class known for its durability, firepower, and unmatched versatility across modern naval warfare. Named in honor of the first Master Chief Petty Officer of the Navy, Delbert Black, the ship carries not just military strength but also a legacy of leadership and dedication to the enlisted force. In this video, we're going to explore DDG-119 in carefully structured depth, how it's designed, the advanced systems it carries, how it performs at sea, and what makes it stand out in a world where naval dominance increasingly depends on technology, reaction speed, and multi-domain readiness. The Delbert D. Black is a flight IIA destroyer, meaning it incorporates decades of upgrades while holding on to the proven hull and general design of the earlier Arleigh Burke ships. Essentially, it's the Navy's workhorse perfected, an optimized balance between offense, defense, and long-range readiness. To begin with, the mission profile of DDG-119 is broad, reflecting the nature of modern naval operations. This single ship can defend against enemy aircraft, intercept ballistic missiles, track and neutralize submarines, strike land targets from hundreds of miles away, and even engage hostile ships on the surface. It's designed for independent operations, escort missions, and integrated fleet actions alongside aircraft carriers or amphibious groups. Its versatility stems from the Aegis Combat System, the core electronic brain of the ship. Aegis manages sensor data, processes tracking information, coordinates weapon response, and supports simultaneous engagements. Imagine having hundreds of radar inputs, sonar returns, satellite feeds, and electronic signals all coming in at once. Aegis sorts them, analyzes them in fractions of a second, and gives the crew a clear, prioritized picture of what's happening in the air, on the sea surface, and below it. This is what allows a destroyer like DDG-119 to take on dozens of threats simultaneously, something older ships could never handle. The ship's radar suite starts with the AN/SPY-1D, a highly advanced phased array radar that provides long-range detection, tracking, and engagement capability. What makes this radar special is its ability to function in cluttered environments like littoral waters, areas near shore where land reflections, civilian traffic, and atmospheric interference can cause confusion. The SPY-1D is designed to cut through all that noise. It can track objects as small as a sea-skimming missile or a stealthy drone and maintain multiple target tracks at high speeds. For viewers unfamiliar with radar technology, think of it as a super-sensitive, ultra-fast scanning system that never stops rotating or blinking. Instead of a spinning dish, it uses fixed panels that electronically steer beams of energy almost instantaneously. This gives the destroyer an advantage in reaction time, a critical factor in missile defense. Now let's go deep into firepower, because this is where the destroyer becomes one of the most powerful non-carrier ships afloat. The ship is equipped with two banks of vertical launch systems (VLS) that collectively hold 96 missile cells. Each cell can store a different type of weapon, making the VLS a flexible magazine rather than a fixed weapon. Some cells hold standard missiles, the primary air defense missiles used to shoot down enemy aircraft, drones, or incoming missiles. Others can hold Tomahawk cruise missiles, long-range strike weapons capable of hitting land targets with pinpoint accuracy from over 1,000 kilometers away. Tomahawks are often used early in conflicts to take out radar stations, missile launchers, command posts, and infrastructure. The VLS can also hold ASROC missiles, anti-submarine rockets that deploy torpedoes over long distances. This ability gives the destroyer submarine hunting capability even before its helicopters are in the air. And the beauty of the VLS is that it uses cold launch technology and quick access software, meaning the crew can rapidly launch different missiles back-to-back depending on threat requirements. Forward on the bow sits the Mk-45 Mod 4 5-inch 62 caliber naval gun. Don't let the word 5-inch fool anyone. This is a powerful artillery system capable of firing extended-range munitions, high-explosive shells, illumination rounds, and even guided projectiles. It can be used for coastal bombardment, targeting small fast boats, and providing support for Marines or soldiers operating ashore. The gun's firing rate can reach up to 20 rounds per minute, and its advanced turret provides stability in rough seas, allowing accurate fire even when the ship is moving at high speeds. For closer range defense, the destroyer carries the Phalanx CIWS, essentially a computer-controlled Gatling gun system that creates a dense stream of 20mm rounds to shoot down missiles that slip past outer defenses. Many people compare it to a last shield, or a robotic turret that reacts faster than any human could. Paired with electronic warfare systems, decoys, and chaff launchers, DDG-119 maintains layered protection from long-range threats to point-blank emergencies. Under the waterline, DDG-119's anti-submarine warfare capability is one of its strongest assets. It features a bow-mounted AN/SQS-53 sonar, capable of long-range underwater detection, paired with the AN/SQR-19 towed array sonar system that trails behind the ship. While the bow sonar gives a forward view, the towed array works almost like an underwater antenna, providing wide-area tracking with high sensitivity. With both systems running, the destroyer can detect, classify, and track submarines well before they pose a threat. And when it comes time to engage, the ship has Mk-32 triple torpedo tubes loaded with Mk-46 or Mk-54 lightweight torpedoes. But perhaps the most important part of the ASW package is the embarked MH-60R Seahawk helicopter. This aircraft can deploy dipping sonar, launch torpedoes, search large areas rapidly, and even carry anti-ship missiles. With the helicopter in the air, the destroyer can extend its detection radius outwards by dozens of miles, essentially turning it into a floating hub of underwater surveillance. From a propulsion standpoint, DDG-119 uses 4 General Electric LM2500 gas turbine engines. Each one is similar to a jet engine, burning fuel and generating massive power. Combined, they enable the ship to reach speeds over 30 knots, giving it excellent maneuverability for a vessel that stretches about 510 feet in length and displaces approximately 9,500 tons. Gas turbines offer fast acceleration, lower vibration than diesel engines, and a more compact layout, which helps maintain internal space for weapons, electronics, and crew. The ship's range can exceed thousands of miles on a single refueling, allowing it to operate across oceans during extended missions or deployments. Advanced stabilizers and hull shaping help improve seakeeping, meaning the ship remains stable and operational even in rough seas. The design of the ship reflects modern stealth principles. While not fully stealth like some next-generation vessels, DDG-119's superstructure, angled surfaces, and minimized radar reflections make it harder to track. It also includes reduced infrared signature, electronic emission control, and noise reduction features that make it more challenging for enemy submarines or sensors to detect. Internally, the ship is laid out with survivability in mind. This includes armored bulkheads, multiple fire suppression zones, redundant power systems, shock-resistant equipment mounts, and blast-resistant compartments. If parts of the ship are damaged, systems can automatically isolate affected areas to prevent flooding or electrical failures from spreading. This fight-through design allows the destroyer to continue operating even after sustaining battle damage. One of the most significant modern enhancements on DDG-119 is its advanced communication and data link systems. The ship is fully integrated into the Navy's Cooperative Engagement Capability Network, meaning it can share sensor data with other ships and aircraft instantly. For example, if an aircraft detects a missile but is too far to intercept it, DDG-119 can fire the missile needed to take it down using the aircraft's targeting data. This kind of networked warfare makes the fleet far more effective than individual ships acting alone. The destroyer also features secure satellite communication, encrypted computer networks, integrated cyber defense systems, and real-time tactical updates, ensuring the crew always has the best possible situational awareness. Crew comfort and efficiency also receive attention. The ship includes improved berthing areas, modern galley facilities, upgraded control stations, and reduced maintenance systems that lessen the workload on sailors. Flight deck operations, boat handling areas, and maintenance spaces are designed for efficiency and safety. Even small improvements like better lighting, improved air quality, and noise reduction make a difference during long deployments. In summary, USS Delbert D. Black DDG-119 stands as a modern symbol of naval capability and technological excellence. It combines heavy firepower, advanced radar, long-range missile strike capability, strong anti-submarine systems, and survivability features into a single platform. Whether protecting carrier strike groups, conducting independent patrols, engaging in missile defense, or responding to global crises, DDG-119 is built to excel under pressure. For viewers interested in modern naval power, this destroyer demonstrates how engineering, electronics, and strategy come together to create a warship capable of operating across air, sea, land, and even cyber domains. It is not just a ship, it is a network, multi-mission, high-endurance machine designed to help maintain maritime security around the world.